we learn now expanded form. Expanded. Here the number is given and we have to write in the expanded form. See, 6554. 6554 we read as the 6554. So we will expand that 6000. So we will write here 6000 plus 500 plus 54. So write here 54 plus 4. So we expand this number 6000. We write here the 6000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 4. We say that we write the expanded for the numeral. The next number is given the 2789, that is 2789. We will write for this 2000 plus 700 plus 89. 80 plus 9. 2789, we write the number for this number, we expanded right here 2000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 9. Let me see this number 9321, we read as 9329 and its expanded form is 9000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. The next number is 4875. We read as 4875 and its expanded form 4 is on the thousand place, so we will write here 1000 plus 8 on the 100 place, we will write here the 800 plus 75, 7 on tens, 70 plus 1's place 5, we will write here plus 5. Again 6554 we read as the 6554 and its expanded 6 is on the thousand place, so we will write here the 6000 plus 5 on the 100 place, so we will write here the 500 plus again 5 on the tens place, so we will write 50 and the 4 is on the ones place, we write plus 4. This is the expanded form for this number. 2789 we will read as the 2789. 2 is on the thousands place, that's why we expand it 2000 plus 700 plus 8 is on the tens place, we expand to write here 80 and 9 is on the tens place plus 9. The next number is 9321, we read as 9321 and its expanded 9 is on the thousand place, so we will write here 9000, 3 on the 100 place 300, 2 on the tens place 20 and 1, so we write ones plus 1, ones place. 4875 we read as 4875 and its expanded form 4 is on the thousand place, so 4000 plus 8 is on 100 place, so 800 plus 7 is on the tens place, so 70 we write and the 5 is on the ones place, so we write plus 5. So this is the expanded form for the number. Now our next point is, if the expanded form is given, we will write the number for that. Students, here the next question is write numerals. Here they given the expanded form, for that you write the number. Sometimes it is given as the 3000, sometimes it is maybe given in the 6000 in the word plus 90 plus 9. So we write the number for it 3599. This is the expanded and we write here the number 3000 plus 500 plus 90 plus 9. We give number for that 3599. The next is expansion is given 8000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 2. So number will come 800 place value is 700. So 7 we will put, 40, 4 on the tens place and the 2 on the ones place. So it number will come 8742. For the expansion is given 8000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 2. So number will come 8742. See, here some difference is in the question. The 1000 here written in the number, but here given in the word. 6000 plus 400, 3 tens plus 8 ones. Nothing different, only in the number we write here the 00, it is given in the words. 6000, so we will put here the 6, 100 place 400 and 3 tens and 8 on the ones place. So 6400, 3 tens and 8 ones, the number will come 6438. Next question is 9000, here also given in the word 9000 plus 400 plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. We will write the number for it 9000. So thousands place we will write number 9. 100, 4 tens and 3 ones. The expansion is given here 9000, 100, 4 tens and 3 ones. So number will come 9143. We will read as 9143. Here the expansion is given in the totally in number 3000 plus 500 plus 90 plus 9. So we will write here the number as 3599. We read as 3599. And little bit different given here the question is in the word. The 6000 in the instead of the number they here written the in the word 6000 plus 400 plus 3 tens plus 8 ones. So we will write the number is 6438. We read as 6438.